Okay. Wow. Yeah, that. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm less scared about that one. That actually does feel good. Wow. Yeah, it's like, so you did it for this side, right? Oh yeah, I can definitely turn more. I could. Okay, wow. Yeah, and it's definitely tighter over here. Okay. All right. Oh. It really is. I gotta wait to turn my neck on this one. Okay. I'm gonna do the same side as the first one. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh. Okay. Wow. That, I mean, it stops you in your tracks and it makes you just in that moment. But I can tell when you're feeling like you know what you're reaching for. Like that's very comforting in that split second before you just take it. Wow, look at that. Wow, I'm not kidding. I am not kidding. I was on a plane this morning like trying to All right. That was really, that's what I see. That's what I see people, this is what it is, what they're feeling. And the laughing is just after the fact when you realize, I can't even imagine how that looked. Just crazy. Right. Wow. Right. That's why I said that this is the one I was telling you. The first one, first I was like, do we have to even do that? This. You did it. Wow. And it opened up something. Like I have like really bad sinuses at times and yeah, right in here. All right, 2 thumbs up. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, even this. Yep.